Hello, tech enthusiasts and multitaskers. Today, we're diving into a game-changing trick that many of you have been asking about: how to play YouTube in the background. Whether you're on your smartphone or desktop, we've got you covered. So, let's unlock this mystery and make your YouTube experience even more versatile. First off, why would you want to play YouTube in the background? The reasons are plenty. Maybe you're listening to a lengthy podcast, a music playlist, or just want some ambient sounds while you work or browse. Whatever your reason, playing YouTube in the background lets you enjoy audio content without keeping the app open on your screen. Android users, rejoice! There are a couple of ways to keep those tunes playing. The simplest way is subscribing to YouTube Premium. Not only does it allow background play, but it also offers ad-free viewing and access to YouTube Music. For a free method, open YouTube in your browser, request the desktop site, play a video, and then navigate to your home screen or another app. The audio may stop, but pulling down the notification shade gives you media controls to resume playback. iPhone users, you're not left out. Just like Android, YouTube Premium is the easiest way to enable background playback. Use Safari or another browser, go to YouTube's website, request the desktop version, and play your video. Once you switch apps, the audio might pause, but you can control and resume it from the lock screen or control center. Keep an eye on your battery and data usage, as playing videos in the background can consume more power and data. There are third-party apps available that claim to offer background playback for YouTube. However, be cautious and research any app before downloading, as they may not always be secure or reliable. Playing YouTube in the background is a fantastic way to enjoy audio content without being glued to your screen. Whether you're a premium subscriber or prefer using a browser workaround, you now have the knowledge to keep your favorite audio playing while multitasking. Go ahead, give it a try, and transform your YouTube listening experience today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy listening.